Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you an amazing recipe for oatmeal cookies, and I'm gonna add white chocolate chips and dried cranberries. For this you'll need 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ cups of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 3/8 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/8 of a cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 tablespoon of molasses or honey, 1 egg at room temperature, and 1/2 cup of the toppings of your choice. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips and a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and mix together the dry ingredients. Add the oats, flour, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda and give it a quick mix. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add the butter and the sugars, and with the paddle attachment, cream together for about 2 minutes. Add the vanilla extract and the honey or the molasses and mix for about a minute. Remember to stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl so that everything is mixed evenly. Add the egg and mix for 3 minutes until the mixture is very creamy and smooth. Scrape the bowl one more time and now add 1/2 of the dry ingredients and mix on low speed until lightly incorporated, and then you can add the other 1/2. This only takes about 30 seconds, and then you can add the toppings, mix for 10 to 15 seconds, and then the mixture is ready to be scooped on the baking sheet. I'm using a cookie scoop, which is 1½ tablespoons per cookie, and that gave me 24 cookies. Bake for 6 minutes and then take them out and lightly flatten them with a spatula, and then back to the oven for 6 more minutes if you like softer cookies, or 8 more minutes if you like crispier cookies. Once they come out of the oven, let them rest in the baking sheet for a few minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. These cookies were beyond amazing. They are crisp on the outside but soft on the inside, but they're not chewy like the usual oatmeal cookies. My family devoured them, they adore them, and you can change the toppings like I said, chocolate chips, raisins, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!